What's going on, you guys? I have just touched down outside Wheel Spin Models, looking to get myself another vehicle today, so I thought I'd take you along, film the process and that. So without further ado, let's go have a look. That's what I got, the orange. I was going backward and forwards, but after seeing the red and then the colour scheme that I'm going to paint the body shell on the FTX, I decided to go for this because it's not as orange as what it looks online. I mean, the light's catching it quite nicely, but it's more of like a yellow, if I'm honest. You know, like the old Camel Trophy colour scheme? It's more like that, like a mustardy in a lot of ways. So yeah, this is what I've gone for. It's completely clipless body shell. The mirrors fold, quite cool. Later on down the line, there's some alot kit that I can get if I want, and swap the winch out for one that I can operate as well. I want to get some other bits as well for it. I don't know if there's like window guards and stuff like that. Maybe like a roof rack. And I'm looking at this, the spare wheel. I'd quite like it if there was, you know, I could remove this. It will leave holes in the body, so I don't know if there's something that can go there instead. Not a blanking plate because that'll look a bit naff, but maybe like an accessory, like a ladder to go up on the roof or something that covers it. I don't know, I'm just going to have to do a little bit of research, but yeah, this is it. Traxxas trx4 Bronco. Let's get all this off it. Have a little look underneath. Got portal axles. Look at the way that lifts. It's pretty cool. So yeah, where I live in Redditch, there's quite a lot of areas for like these sort of trucks. We've got quite a lot of woods, fields, streams, you know, small rivers, rocks and stuff like that. So be able to get quite a bit with this done. Right, so we're at the local jump spot. We've got all of this to play with.
Come on then, let's go.
Sick! That's it. Walk forward. Right, so this is my first outing with the trx4 Bronco 21. It's doing alright so far. I'm a bit of a noob when it comes to driving, first crawler and that, but just practice makes perfect really. Now we're just going to try and get at this.
Go now?
Yeah, like pick that sound that's going there.
Should I go off Woo!
Right. Right, so that's it going through the woods. Just shout out to local guys who do all the building and stuff with these jumps. Spoke to them last year, they're a great bunch. They said I can bring my cars here and do some filming. You know, I understand, like, some people might look at it and go, oh, you're gonna wreck their jumps and out. I mean, I've not really gone on any of the jumps, to be honest with you. So yeah, just a major shout out to them. Don't know who they are, just met them last year and they're a great bunch. So the next bit of footage you'll see, I'm going to take it to a local stream where there's like pebbles and stuff like that, try out a bit of water. So yeah,